If you have just cleared 12th and you are confused between B.Tech and BSc, or you are already doing B.Tech and still don't know what to do, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll not motivate you, I will help you think clearly to choose between B.Tech or BSc. Or if you are already doing B.Tech, then I will help you that what exactly you can do in B.Tech. Now, if you are having this confusion between choosing between B.Tech and BSc, then this is normal. You are already in a right direction, and thinking about your career is normal. So in this video, I will be helping you out with all these problem. So I will be helping out on a tool known as Accelerator. You can also use if you are a beginner. Now let me first of all make myself smaller. Yeah, that's okay. Now let us move to Accelerator. So there can be two scenarios, like if you have just passed 12th or you are already enrolled in a bachelor's degree. Now first of all we'll be talking about case number 1. If you have just passed 12th, in this video I will be talking especially about science student. Now what exactly you can do, you can choose B.Tech and BSc or any other bachelor degree. Now in this video I'll be talking generally about two bachelor's degree, B.Tech and BSc. Now who should do B.Tech? If you are able to handle pressure and you are okay with a heavy syllabus, then B.Tech is for you. And if you are trying to make a career in tech, then you should do B.Tech. In this video I'll be talking about 4 points. Like first point is you want to build your career in tech, then you can choose B.Tech. And if you are okay with handling pressure and continuous examination, guys, I'm second year of my college and I can tell you this second point is very important. Like in after every 3 to 4 months there is continuation of exam, midterm and SEM, and all these things keeps continuing in B.Tech degree. So if you are okay with it, then you should do B.Tech. Now third point is okay with heavy syllabus. If you have just passed 12th, then you complete 12th physics till the topics you have covered in class 12th physics, that would be not be equal to the syllabus that you will covering in one semester in one subject of that one semester engineering physics, and that would be much difficult. So if you are okay with heavy syllabus, then B.Tech is for you. Now fourth important point and most important point for this video, if you are okay with coding, like you loves to code or you loves to or you enjoy building more and more projects and models, then you should do B.Tech. And if you are not thinking about choosing a government examination, then B.Tech is for you. Now who should choose BSc? For BSc purpose, if you want to prepare for a government exam, then you should choose BSc. You will get more and more free time and there will be not that much pressure as compared to B.Tech. BSc is much more chill. If you want to prepare for government exam and you are from science background, then you can do BSc. And one more important thing, like if you are thinking like you will be doing BSc and after doing BSc you will get a job, then you are wrong. Getting only degrees will be waste of time. So what exactly you can do, you can prepare for some other government exams. You can prepare for CGL, CHSL and all these exams, and some other exams also like GATE, NIMSET, CAT, and all these exams you can prepare side by side while doing BSc, because you will be getting much more free time doing BSc. So this is the scenario first, like if you have just cleared 12th and you are confused between B.Tech and BSc, so you can choose accordingly. Now after that, scenario 2, that you have already enrolled in B.Tech in some private or as well as government colleges. So there can be two choices, like one is DSA plus WebD and second is DSA plus AIML. These are the two choices. You can like shift to doing web dev as well as AIML and DSA. Now here DSA is common, so you will have to do DSA according to you, and doing DSA would be, you will take around 5 to 6 months doing DSA. And alongside with DSA you have to pick up one skill, like you can choose web development or you can choose AIML. So both the skills are accordingly good, you can choose any of these, but according to the trends that is going now, AIML is much more secured. You'll get jobs with AIML in a much better way. So you can choose any of these career in and who should choose webd and who should choose AIML. Like if you're okay with building projects and you know how to build, and you are fascinated by seeing how these website works and how these backend and front end interact with each other, then web development is for you. Now who should do AIML? Like if you are okay with handling data, handling outliers, how handling imbalanced data set, and you are okay with doing different type of activities, if a given if a data is given to you, then AIML is for you. By doing AIML you can become ML engineer, or you can become AI engineer, or you can also choose a field data science by doing such by doing other and other so topics that are present in data science. Like after doing AIML machine learning, you will have to do deep learning, NLP, and then generative AI and all. Then you can become a data scientist. Then this is for you. BTech, like all these things you can do in BTech. Now guys, here are 2 to 3 points that matters most. Like first point is skill matter more than certificate. You'll have to learn in public, and you have to focus on developing more and more skills rather than certificates. Recruiters nowadays doesn't see like your certificates, like what type of certificates you have uploaded. The more you will learn, the more you will build, and the better your projects would be, there would be more chances that you will get hired. Now this is the important thing. Now learning in public, you can make from day one, you have to do one thing. From day one of your learning, you will have to make 2 profiles. One is your LinkedIn profile, and second one is your Twitter profile. You have to make it from day one of the learning, and you have to give 30 to 40 minutes daily to each of these profiles. You can give, yeah, you are using Instagram 4 to 5 hours a day, then you can also give 30 to 45 minutes to LinkedIn, and you'll eventually get new things to learn. So this is the third point, and you have to be consistent and disciplined in order to get a job in tech. So this is the most important point. And what exactly you can implement, you can divide your time period into multiple segments. Like if you have a 1 year of period, then you can divide it into multiple period of segment and try to complete. Like if you are decided to complete AIML, then you can divide 1 year or 6 months into 3 to 4 segments, and in each segment you can do different type of works. You can divide that AIML topics into different type of segments, and you can try to cover all these in accordingly in different type of segments. Now the last important point, like you have to implement your knowledge into building projects and models. Like if you are learning web dev, so you have to build projects, and by building projects and by building all these models, you have to learn. So you should actually know how to implement your knowledge, or how to build models, because trust me guys, this is the important point. By building more and more projects, you will get hired, by not just by making different type, earning different type of certificates. So this is the important point, and by this I'll be ending this video. So I have already covered like 2 cases. First, who have just passed 12, then who can choose BTech and who can choose BSc, and second point, if you have already enrolled in BTech, so what exactly you can do. So this video is all about BTech or BSc, and if you have already in BTech, so what exactly you can do. So if you have liked the video, or if you have earned, or if you have gained 1 to 2% of the knowledge, then please do like and share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.